This is NiCd drill battery that won't charge. Fix. First one is confirm the issue. So if your NiCd drill battery won't charge, first check the charger with another pack to rule out a faulty charger. Now you could also clean the contacts by using a dry cloth or rubbing alcohol on the battery and charger contacts because dirty terminals can block charging. Another one is jumpstart the battery. So sometimes NICD packs drop too low in voltage. So use another fully charged battery or a 12V DC source to boost it for a few seconds and this wake it up so the charger recognize it. Another one is charge and test. So place it back on the charger. If it starts charging, let it fully cycle and repeat boost only if needed. So guys, take note that always wear eye protection when working with batteries. And if boosting doesn't help, it's often cheaper and safer to replace it or rebuild the pack. There you go, see ya.